Imagine waking up one morning and seeing a new political party in India called the Cockroach Janata Party. Its members proudly call themselves lazy, unemployed, and permanently online. Its eligibility criteria include be jobless, spend 11 hours online, and rant professionally. Sounds like another internet joke. Except within days, this party had thousands of sign-ups, a manifesto, millions of social media interactions, and a growing youth following. So the question is, did India just witness another viral meme? Or are we seeing something bigger? A new form of political expression driven by unemployment, frustration, and a generation feeling ignored. Because the story of the Cockroach Janata Party is actually the story of India's youth, the comment that triggered everything. This movement started after remarks attributed to India's Chief Justice, where unemployed youth were compared to cockroaches. The statement triggered outrage online. Normally, comments like these create outrage for 48 hours. People react, memes happen, then everyone moves on. But this time something different happened. A 30-year-old political communication strategist named Abhijit Dipke decided to embrace the insult instead of rejecting it.
So I read the comment of Honorable CJI on Twitter where he's compared the youth with cockroaches and parasites for expressing their opinions or criticism, and I found it very baffling that the Chief Justice of India is supposed to be the custodian of Constitution, which grants fundamental rights such as freedom of speech to the people. He himself is calling people out and comparing them with parasites and cockroaches for expressing their opinion. So that really angered me. So based on that, I just made a tweet from my personal handle and I just asked, what if all cockroaches come together?
His thinking was simple. If society sees unemployed young people as invisible, if the system treats them like a burden, then maybe they should reclaim that identity. And that became Cockroach Janata Party. Why did this resonate so fast? The bigger question isn't, why did someone create this? The bigger question is, why did millions relate to it? Because movements do not become viral without underlying pain. India produces around 8 million graduates every year. Yet graduate unemployment remains extremely high. Among younger graduates aged 15 to 25, unemployment has reportedly approached 40%. Think about that. You study, get degrees, prepare for exams, compete with millions, and still struggle to find stable employment. At the same time, living costs rise, fuel prices rise. Industries once considered safe are being disrupted by AI and automation. Now combine this with exam controversies, competitive pressure, economic anxiety, internet culture, and suddenly memes stop being entertainment. They become emotional release. The Cockroach Janata Party succeeded because it converted frustration into humor and then into identity. The founder understood internet politics. Abhijit Dipke is not a random internet user. He studied journalism, completed a master's in public relations in the US, and reportedly worked with political campaigns involving meme-based communication. That matters because modern politics increasingly works like content. Attention is currency. Narratives spread faster than manifestos. Memes sometimes outperform speeches. And Gen Z doesn't always engage through rallies. They engage through Instagram reels, through digital communities, through humor. The founder reportedly said, "I am the cockroach," because for him, the term represented people who feel dismissed despite being educated and politically aware. That statement transformed insult into solidarity. Joke party or serious politics? Now here is where things become interesting. Because beneath the humor, the movement started discussing actual policy ideas. Their manifesto talks about judicial independence, restrictions on post-retirement positions for judges, women's representation, election accountability, anti-defection rules, media ownership concerns. Whether you agree with these ideas or not, the important point is this: the conversation moved beyond memes. And whenever humor starts creating political discussion, it becomes more than entertainment. Supporters see this as youth frustration finally finding expression. Critics believe it is temporary internet outrage. What does this mean for India? The biggest takeaway isn't whether the Cockroach Janata Party becomes a real political force. It may disappear next month or evolve into something bigger. That's not the point. The real story is this: India's young population is sending a message that economic anxiety is rising and so is unemployment. That internet culture is becoming political culture. And maybe the future of political participation won't always begin with traditional parties. It could begin with memes, online communities, and with people who feel unheard. Because when millions of young people start calling themselves cockroaches, the question is not, why are they joking? The question is, what made them feel this way in the first place? Follow YPod for more such impactful stories.